spaghettis. I already went to Walmart and get some of the stuff. Let me just see where I'm gonna put the camera real quick. And I have to wash dishes before I can even start. Like, so I have this stuff, the meat. The salt is in the grill. I'm gonna put the salt and the noodles are over here. And the noodles. So this is all the stuff I'm gonna need. And the pepper. You guys can see. Okay, so what I have to do now is wash some dishes and get everything set up before me to cook really quick. But I wasn't really thinking. If I did want to wash this frying pan, it's clean, I think. I'm just gonna double check because I have to make sure that my stuff is clean when I'm cooking it. And my stuff in general has to be clean. Okay, so now that I do have all the dishes washed and I already have like everything prepped, I'm just gonna get the meat prepared and go ahead and put the noodles in. And I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. So don't talk about this pot because it been through the struggle, but we still gonna use it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the noodles in. And I got Mueller's. I think that's Mueller's. I don't know how to pronounce it. I got this type. So I'm just gonna put some of this in there. I'm not gonna put all of this in there because I'm not making a big pan of spaghettis. There's only 2 people in here. So I'm gonna just watch here. Hopefully you guys can see me because you know you should be able to see. You should be able to see. So I'm just gonna put the noodles in. I don't want to put too much in there, actually. Okay. I should break. I'm gonna break them. Should have got the pot size one. Pot size would probably been better. I'm doing this because I don't want to make too much of them. I don't want to make too much noodles. And I'm trying to make all of them fit in the pot correctly. That's how I'm breaking them. If I make too much, all I would do is just the only thing I would do is pour some out or either use them for something else. Probably get those a little bit too much. And okay, so I do think I'm gonna need some more water. This is how it looks. And the next one I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on the hamburger stuff. This is have this much of I have this much meat in here, and I'm gonna add my salt and my pepper and probably some seasoned salt too. Yeah. And then my noodles is boiling. Noodles is boiling. I'm gonna make sure it's boiling so you guys can see that. And so I'm about to go ahead and season it really quick. So I got my meat here. I don't want to touch it, but I'm gonna have to. Got my meat here. I'm gonna put some salt on it. Pepper. I'm gonna put some pepper on this, give it some flavor. We're gonna put some salt in here. Not too much salt. And then I'm gonna use some seasoning salt too, because my mom always uses this, so I wanna use it too. That should be good enough. And then I'm going to mix it, and don't talk about me mixing this because it's going to me and my boyfriend now, so not fun. So I'm gonna mix that all up together, and then I'm just gonna turn this. I'm turning it on 6. So that should be good. That should be mixed up well. I'm gonna go wash my hands right quick. Put this in there. Make sure these noodles are good. If I need more noodles, I definitely will make some more. I'm gonna put this over here. Yeah, but if I need more noodles, I definitely will make more because we 2 people, but we eat a lot. And I only got a little ragu sauce too. I should have got one bigger, but okay. So the meat is all seasoned up. Noodles. Let me put the cheese in the refrigerator to get cold. So I put the cheese in the refrigerator to let it get a little cold. My phone's on a charger, so let me see what percent it's on actually. Hold up. Okay, so I was able to go ahead and take my phone off the charger. I'm just gonna put you guys down while I add this meat in this pot. Okay. Like I say, I'm definitely making it stick to this, and I don't want that to happen. Baby, we're my love. I scribble X and O's in my notebook. I'm just gonna let that cook for a while. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this meat cook for a while. I don't know if you guys saw me put it in the pot. I don't know if you guys saw me put the meat in the pot, but this is all the meat that I'm gonna use for my spaghetti. I do need to put some more noodles in here to let it boil, y'all. I'm just gonna take these noodles out the pot. I'm not really sure. Some of them do feel kind of hard still. The noodles are good. Make the meat. The noodles are good. I'm gonna see if the meat is good. The meat need a little more work. I know for a fact that some people don't be cooking their food how my mom cook it, and I like the way my mom cooks her spaghetti because it tastes like no other. Like, I don't know, all that mixed garlic people be putting in there, I don't too much like that, to be honest. But that's just my opinion. Some people do like that, and I'm not gonna hold y'all for your opinion. I mean, I haven't tried it, so I probably like it too. I don't know. And I'm just gonna. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, cause everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some laundry detergent over here. If you let me love you, if you let me love you, we are standing for the day, baby. Bad man, we must play, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that. Okay, so I got the meat done, and I'm gonna put the noodles in here. So let's put the meat over here. This is dirty. I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna get the noodles right now. My camera did went dead. It didn't went dead, but you know, I'm out of storage on my phone, and I have to stop and make storage while I'm still recording, which is not gonna work because that's not a way. Let me put this in here. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of water on it to make sure my noodles do not get dried out. So what I'm doing is basically I'm just boiling slowly. I'm gonna throw this in the trash. I'm gonna be cleaning up while everything is populating and doing what it's supposed to do. Told me when I put the sauce in, she was like, "You gonna put the sauce in and then you gonna put some water in the." She was like, she said, "You gonna put the sauce in and then you gonna put the water in the bottle." And she said, "Leave a little bit of water. Leave a little bit of water." So you see how I left water in here for my noodles? I don't know if you guys can see. Like, if my noodles are still wet, so that means they're not dry, which is a good thing because you don't want dry noodles. She was like, leave water inside the pot, put your meat inside of it, and add your ragu sauce. After you add the ragu sauce, you put some water inside the bottle, shake it, and put it in there too. So your spaghettis won't be dry, because nobody want dry spaghettis. But you don't want your spaghettis to be too wet either. So you gotta think about the measurements that you're putting in there. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. I never cooked spaghettis before, but that's what she told me, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. See, my noodles are still wet, so see how I left a little bit of water at the bottom? I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little bit of water at the bottom. I left that water there because my mom told me to, and I'm gonna pour some of the water out in this pot, but don't pour all of it out because then your noodles gonna be dry. Feel me? But yeah, guys, stay tuned because we're gonna finish cooking these spaghetti. And I'm gonna wait for these noodles to finish getting cooked. After they're cooked, I'm gonna show y'all what to do. The noodles almost cooked. Noodles are finished. Let me show you guys what to do. Noodles are finished, right? So you pour some water out, leave a little bit in there. I already did that part. So here I'll leave a little bit of water in there to make sure my noodles not dry. So what you gonna do? First of all, the black thing at the pot is coming in. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna add your meat in there. Then you're gonna add your sauce. How would I do that? Hold on. Then you're gonna add a meat in there. Then you're gonna add the sauce. So hopefully I can open this. Open this. Okay, I'm strong. I'm gonna pour your sauce in there. And stir it. And that's when you're gonna stir it. Make sure you stir it good now. And put it back in the oil. Okay, and here's the part that I'm talking about. Make sure you get all the ragu sauce out of there. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take some water and put it in here. And you're gonna shake it, right? And you're gonna put this back in there. That's when you're gonna stir it up some more. Ouch, that burned. Okay, so now it should be looking like this. So what we're gonna do, you're not gonna leave it like that. You're gonna let this boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put the lid on there, let it do its job, and we'll be back to see how it turned out, and put the cheese on it. Okay, you guys, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna, okay, so I just took it off, and this is how it looks. So I'm gonna stir it up, and I'm going to put some cheese in it, so one moment. When I stir it up, it looks magnificent. So this is how it looks when I stir it up. It should look like this, like. So now what we're gonna do, since we have all done in here, I got my cheese already out. And I'm just gonna use this kind of cheese because I'm just gonna take my cheese and I'm gonna put it in there. Okay, now that the cheese in there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stir this up. So I added the cheese in it, as you guys can see, that is getting cheesy. I'm just gonna take a handful more and put it in there. Mind the fact, I'm still gonna put cheese on it when it finishes, so there can be a layer of cheese at the top. Okay, this is the finished product. The camera's going dead, so I'm just gonna talk to y'all whenever I can, whenever we start eating it.
AMG.
How they taste?
Oh, well, good. Well.